PaperRater Text Honest Review Watch before using. Most students and writers think grammar checkers are all the same, but PaperRater claims to combine grammar, spelling, style, and plagiarism analysis in one easy tool. PaperRater is an AI-powered writing assistant designed to help students, educators, and professionals improve written content. It checks grammar and spelling, evaluates sentence structure, suggests style improvements, and provides plagiarism detection. One unique feature is its automated scoring system, which grades papers and provides detailed feedback on writing quality. Most people get this wrong. They assume free tools are inaccurate. The surprising truth is that PaperRater's AI is optimized for academic writing and essay improvement, providing more comprehensive insights than simple spell checkers. It can even suggest vocabulary enhancements to improve clarity and impact. Another advantage is convenience. PaperRater works directly in a web browser, requiring no downloads, and supports multiple file formats. It's also fast, giving near-instant feedback, which is ideal for tight deadlines. However, there are considerations. The free version has limitations on word count and plagiarism checks, and some advanced features require a paid subscription. Also, while the AI suggestions are helpful, they may not replace human editing for nuanced writing or complex arguments. In conclusion, PaperRater is a useful tool for writers seeking quick feedback on grammar, style, and originality. It's especially helpful for students working on essays and papers, but for high-stakes writing, combining it with human review is best. Subscribe for more honest writing tool reviews before you improve your text online.